What if I told you you've been living through the wrong era? Because today, right now, the most powerful shift in human creation just happened, and no one told you. For decades, building anything online required people. Coders, designers, copywriters, hosting and server experts. You had to beg, pay, and wait just to get an idea off the ground. But that ends today. Because what I'm about to show you doesn't just build for you, it thinks, codes, designs, and launches for you in seconds. This isn't another AI builder, this is a life-changing technology. Hey, my name is Saeed, and on behalf of my team, I'm happy to introduce to you Kleva AI, the world's first AI super engineer that turns your prompts and ideas into fully functional websites in any language in seconds. Kleva AI turns your vision into reality. An AI so advanced, you can literally talk to it and watch it create a real hosted website, store, landing page, blog, sales funnel, portfolio, and more right before your eyes. You type a single sentence or just say it out loud using the Siri-like voice command. Create a modern online store that sells fitness programs. And before you can even blink, the code begins to write itself. Sections form, animations fade in, images align, buttons appear, content fades in line by line. In less than 60 seconds, your business, your idea is alive. Think about that. No hiring, no coding, no subscriptions, no limits. Because for the first time, the web doesn't need developers or freelancers, it just needs you. Now imagine this. A student builds a study website overnight and shares it with the world the next morning. A coach creates their full course platform before lunch. A designer launches a 3D portfolio site in an hour. A restaurant owner speaks one sentence and has a menu, booking system, and payment page before their coffee gets cold. Then someone says clone Netflix and their own streaming brand goes live in seconds. Another says clone Amazon and a stunning e-commerce site appears before their eyes. That's not fantasy anymore. That's Kleva AI. Your ideas, your words, the web obeys. See, Kleva AI doesn't use templates. It doesn't assemble, it engineers. It listens like a human, builds like a machine, and delivers like a team of 10 without sleep, salary, or stress. You watch it think. You watch it work. You watch it deploy. All you do is command. And here's where it gets wild. Kleva AI doesn't just build your site or app, it writes all your content too. It creates your headlines, your product descriptions, your calls to action, even your blog posts automatically. No blank pages, no writer's block. Every page is ready to launch, sell, and scale the second it's born. Think about what that means for you. It means freedom from tech jargon, freedom from cost, freedom from delay. You can finally build the business you've been dreaming of, not someday, not when you have the time, but now. And it's not just for business owners, it's for creators, freelancers, marketers, agencies, affiliates, students, and dreamers. Anyone. Whoever had an idea and wished they could make it real. Because with Kleva AI, the only thing between thought and reality is one sentence or prompt. No limits on what you can build. Websites, stores, sales funnel, blogs, landing page, portfolios, and more. Everything runs on the same AI brain, smart, responsive, and ready to work for you 24/7. The best part? You own it all. Every line of code, every design, every asset. You can export it, sell it, modify it, host it. It's all yours. And with Kleva AI's built-in marketplace, you can even list your creations for sale and keep 100% of the profit. Build once, sell as you want, and profit. The future doesn't belong to coders anymore. It belongs to creators, people who think fast, act fast, and use AI as their unfair advantage. Because what electricity did to factories, what the internet did to communication, Kleva AI is doing to creation itself. Right now, thousands of people are already building the next generation of sites and startups without code, without limits, without terms. You're about to join them. You're about to witness what it feels like to create something real in under a minute. So here's my challenge to you. Stop imagining, stop waiting, stop paying others to do what you can do in seconds. Because this is your turning point, the one tool that finally puts control back in your hands. Click the button below, log in, and type your first idea. In 60 seconds, watch it come alive. Remember, no coding, no monthly subscriptions, no learning curve, no API cost, no hosting fee, no barriers. And hey, if you're worried, don't, because you're protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So go ahead, create your account now with Kleva AI, and if you don't like it, just send us a message and we will refund every penny you've paid, and even give you a bunch of bonuses as a gift for wasting your time. What are you waiting for? This is the opportunity you've been waiting for. Click on the button on this page, and I'll see you inside.